Welcome, today in front of me Motorola G71 5G, and I'll show you how loudest the speakers here on our device. I'll make it with the help of the decibel meter. So I'll just here set up the maximum mode. This mode means that when the decibel meter will reach the highest volume, then here on the screen the value will change. So as can you see, our Motorola G71 5G reached the 110.7 decibels. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.